The tiger is one of the largest and most feared predators on the planet. It's a majestic animal with incredible power and speed. But tigers are also complex creatures with a lot more going on in their heads than we might think. In today's video, we will explore some of the lesser-known facts about these amazing animals to help us better understand them and appreciate all that they have to offer. Get ready for some surprises along the way, because there are some things about tigers that you didn't know until now. Number 12. They are more aquatic than you think. Tigers are not just found in the water, they are actually very good swimmers. When temperatures rise, tigers may jump into water bodies to cool off and even hunt prey such as fish. Some people believe that tigers are afraid of water, but this is not true. Tigers can swim up to 8 hours at a time if necessary, and they use their webbed feet to help them move through the water. The Bengal tiger is especially adept at swimming, often seen crossing rivers in search of new hunting grounds or mates. So don't be fooled by their size and bulk. Tigers are surprisingly graceful in the water. 11. They can jump really high. Despite their size, tigers are capable of jumping great heights. Their powerful hind legs allow them to leap up to 30 feet in a single bound. This ability is useful for catching prey off guard and escaping predators like humans. Tigers can also use their jumping skills to navigate difficult terrain and reach new areas quickly. Their agility and strength make them formidable hunters and incredibly fun to watch when they are in their natural habitat. If you ever get the chance to see a tiger in action, be sure to take advantage of it. Number 10. They have excellent night vision. Tigers are nocturnal hunters, so it's no surprise that they have excellent night vision. Their eyes are adapted to see well in low-light conditions, allowing them to stalk their prey undetected. In fact, tigers can see 6 to 8 times better than humans in the dark. This adaptation is essential for their survival since they rely on stealth and surprise to capture their prey. You can tell how good a tiger's eyesight is by looking into its eyes. The pupil of a tiger's eye is round, which means that they have great night vision and can see well in low-light conditions. Number 9. They can live in a variety of habitats. Unlike some other big cats, tigers are not limited to living in just one type of environment. They can be found in a variety of habitats, from tropical rainforests to cold mountainous regions. This adaptability allows them to thrive in different climates and environments across Asia. Tigers are also able to adjust their behavior and hunting techniques depending on the habitat they inhabit. For example, tigers in dense forests tend to be more elusive and rely on their camouflage to stalk prey, while tigers in open grasslands are more active during the day and use their swimming skills to hunt. 8. They are solitary creatures. Tigers are solitary animals who prefer to live alone rather than in groups. They are territorial and will defend their space aggressively against rivals. Even mother tigers will leave their cubs to fend for themselves once they are old enough. This is because tigers need a lot of space to roam and hunt, and sharing their territory with other tigers would mean less food and more conflict. While they may occasionally come together to mate, tigers are generally solitary creatures who enjoy their own company. 7. They have a strong social bond with their mothers. Although tigers are typically solitary, they form a strong social bond with their mothers during their first few months of life. Tiger cubs stay with their mom until they are around 6 months old and learn important skills like hunting and fighting from her. During this time, the mother tiger is responsible for teaching her cubs how to survive in the wild and will fiercely protect them from any danger. After the cubs are old enough to fend for themselves, they will leave their mother's territory and strike out on their own. But the bond between tiger and mother remains strong, and they will often return to visit her. 6. They have a special roar. A tiger's roar is one of the most iconic sounds in the animal kingdom. It is a deep, guttural sound that can be heard up to 2 miles away. But did you know that tigers use their roars for more than just intimidating their prey? Tiger roars are actually a form of communication. They can convey a range of emotions, from aggression and dominance to fear and submission. For example, a male tiger may roar to announce his presence in an area and warn off rivals. Meanwhile, a female tiger may use a softer roar to call out to her cubs or attract a mate. Each roar has its own unique meaning and context, and experts continue to learn more about the complexities of tiger vocalizations. 5. They are highly endangered. Sadly, tigers are one of the most endangered species in the world. Habitat loss, poaching, and human conflict have all contributed to their decline in numbers. There are only an estimated 3,900 tigers left in the wild, making them a vulnerable species. Conservation efforts are underway to protect tigers and their habitat, but we can all do our part to help ensure that they don't end up extinct. By supporting organizations that work to protect tigers and their habitat, we can make a difference in the lives of these majestic animals. Number 4. They have thick, coarse fur. Tigers have thick, coarse fur that helps keep them warm in cold climates and protected from insect bites. Their fur is also an important part of their camouflage, allowing them to blend in with their surroundings and stalk their prey undetected. The thickness and length of their fur can vary depending on the subspecies and habitat. For example, tigers that live in colder climates have thicker and longer fur than tigers that live in warmer climates. Additionally, the color and pattern of their fur can also vary, from the orange and black stripes of the Bengal tiger to the blue-gray and white stripes of the Siberian tiger. No matter the subspecies, tiger fur is an essential part of their survival in a variety of habitats. 3. They have stripes like fingerprints. Every tiger has a unique set of stripes, just like every human has a unique set of fingerprints. These stripes are formed during the development of the fetus and are determined by genetic factors. As a result, no two tigers have the same stripe pattern, making each tiger truly one of a kind. Even identical twins have different stripe patterns. This unique trait allows conservationists to identify individual tigers and track their movements. It also makes tigers one of the most easily recognizable animals in the world. Their stripes are an important part of their identity and an iconic symbol of the beauty and diversity of the natural world. 2. They are apex predators. Tigers are apex predators, meaning they are at the top of the food chain in their ecosystem. They are not hunted by any other animals and play a vital role in keeping the balance of nature. Tigers help control populations of their prey species and prevent any one species from becoming too dominant. Their presence in an ecosystem can have a ripple effect, impacting many other species. Tigers are also indicators of environmental health. Their presence indicates that an ecosystem is functioning properly and there is plenty of food and habitat for all species. When tiger populations decline, it can be a sign that an ecosystem is in trouble. As such, conserving tigers is essential not just for their own sake, but for the health of our planet as a whole. 1. They have been around for a long time. Tigers have been around for a long time. They have been on the planet for over 2 million years, with their earliest ancestors hunting woolly mammoths. Tigers are an ancient species that have survived through many changes in the environment and are a testament to the power and resilience of nature. They are an integral part of our biodiversity and play a vital role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems around the world. Tigers are not just fascinating creatures, but are also an important part of our natural heritage. By learning more about tigers and protecting their habitat, we can ensure that these magnificent animals continue to roam the earth for generations to come. If you liked the video, smash that thumbs up and hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and catch you next time.